guys, it's Elizabeth, back with a video for the first time in a long time, I know. So today we're going to be doing another Rent the Runway haul video. I'm going to let you guys know everything that I got for this month. I know I've been lacking on the YouTube video game, but honestly, this semester has been wild, and like we're gonna sit down and have some chats about it over winter break, but I'm dying a little. Not really, but I'm dying a little. Videos to come in January, probably. But enough about my life. So for Rent the Runway, I'm actually a Rent the Runway rep on my campus, so I get to pick out 4 things per month and just kind of like spread the word on my Insta and just around campus about Rent the Runway and like how cool it is that you can swap out stuff and update your wardrobe and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you guys the 4 pieces that I picked out for this month. This is kind of like my November to December picks. It's all going to be warm stuff. Despite the fact that I'm like wearing a tank top right now, just ignore that, I'm inside clearly. So, and also like I do in all these videos, I'm gonna be like reading off my laptop because I want to make sure that you guys like know the brands and stuff in case you do Rent the Runway and you want to like, you're a Rent the Runway member and you want to like get the stuff that I have. Also, I can kind of do semi-try on because a lot of these are just little jackety things. First thing I'll show you is this. I wore this today, so there's probably my blonde hair on it, but it's just this Fila like fleece zip up thing, and I ordered this in a large and it's kind of big on me, but that's kind of how I want it to go. And it's like a half zip. I mean, it's not the most like flattering thing ever, but it's a cute color and it kind of like brings out my eyes. And it's like, I don't know, it's not gonna be like flattering because it's like a big fluffy coat, you know. But yeah, I've honestly been wearing this all the time already and will continue wearing it until winter's over. I mean, not winter's over, until it gets too cold to wear it, which is sad, but whatever. This is me in the Fila. And the inside isn't fluffy, but honestly it's still warm. Like I kind of was like, oh sad the inside isn't fluffy like the outside, but I kind of like it. It still keeps me warm. And it's cool. I feel like a hype beast person because of the brand all over it. And it's called the Jayla half zip sweatshirt. I got it in a large. And this is perfect because it's cold here. And it's actually been not super cold here. It's been like 40-ish. I go to the University of Iowa, by the way, so that's in Iowa and it's cold here. So it's been like 40-ish, and this is like, I could just wear this like over this when it's 40 and not a real big coat. And then the next thing I got, I wore this the other day and I'm not really sure how to style it because I don't ever wear anything like this. I'm not like a super huge plaid girl, but I saw this on actually my campus coordinator, I think, and I thought it looked really good on her, but she's like stunning, so I need to work a little harder to style it. But it's just this mock neck, kind of cropped. It's by BB Dakota and it's called the Buffalo 66 sweatshirt, and I got this in a large. I feel like I probably could have gone down to medium in this one, but yeah, if you guys have any ideas how to style this, I just wore it with high-waisted jeans, and I think it might be better as like a legging moment. I'm not really sure yet, but if you guys have any ideas on how I should style this, please LMK. It's also very soft. You guys can't feel it, but it's so comfy. Like I wore it to work and I was just straight chilling all day, feeling comfy while still looking like semi business casual. And then the next one I'm super duper excited about actually. So this is making a lot of noise. This is a Champion jacket. I'm really excited about it because this is like my colors, if you know me. I love purple. Like not specifically this purple, but I don't know. I love light colors and like purples and pinks and stuff. And it's really, really cute. And obviously it's by the brand Champion and it's called the Color Block Puff Jacket. Can't see the whole thing. But it's really cute, and I wore it with, I feel like it would be cute if you left it open with like a white shirt, and I actually wore it with like a cheetah print t-shirt and it looked cute, like the colors vibed, you know. And actually I got this in a large too, and this is how it fits me. Actually on the website, there's only one review about it, and it's bad. It's like not flattering. Like, I don't know what they said, but it's like a 1-star review, but I think it's really cute, and like, I don't know, like a coat is not gonna be like the most figure flattering like style, you know? I'm like trying not to talk while all the like is happening. But I feel like Emma Chamberlain in this. It's like a fun print, and I think it's like a trendy little coat, which is fun because I need a coat, so why not make it trendy? This is probably one of my favorite things, if not my favorite thing, so like best for last. So I got this purse from Marc Jacobs. Look at that glitter, yo. It's like kind of see-through. It's called the Snapshot bag. Jelly glitter snapshot crossbody is its like real name, and it's Marc Jacobs. And oh my gosh, like I feel like this is just like a 2000s baddie purse, and like my favorite color is this like lavendery purple, and yeah, fits my EpiPen perfectly. I'm allergic to peanuts, it's embarrassing. Yeah, but I'm going to the nail salon today actually, and I think I'm gonna get it like my nails like the same color as this, or like more as like this.
I'm like editing in my grandma's basement, dying from allergies right now, but these are how the nails turned out. My eyes are smaller than they are in the video right now because I'm dying, but look at these pretty nails.
But just wow, what a flex, you know? Like, shout out to Rent the Runway, because I would never be able to be like strutting in a purse like this without them. So just very grateful that they picked me to, you know, tell y'all about their brand and all the stuff that I get. Maybe this should be a thumbnail. This purse is like beautiful. Just look at that glitter, yo. Wow. Yeah, so if you want to watch my last video of like last month's Rent the Runway picks, I had a purse in that I was also super obsessed with. So I feel like every time I'm gonna get a little purse, because I always carry a purse, and why not make it fun and beautiful like this. Okay, so honestly that's the end of the video. Just had 4 things to show you for this month. I have a couple of other, I think 2 other Rent the Runway videos, because I've been doing the rep program for this whole semester, so I have a couple more videos about what I've gotten, so go check those out if you want more like things to see and how like the Rent the Runway rep program works. And also I have a discount code. Our team does have a discount code that's like 25% off if you just do the reserve rental. So I'll put that here. I think it's just RTR Iowa 25 or something like that. So use that. I think it expires like December 13th, I want to say. So if you have something for like a formal, I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep it up here and like hope that my hands are going the right way while I'm like showing it off. But yeah, you can also follow my Instagram. It's just at elizabeth.m.wick, like my first and last name, and see all my pictures that I'm gonna take with these fire products, you know. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're a fan of this video. Hopefully I'll have more ecology videos coming up, but we're gonna see about that. School comes first, so it'll probably be on break. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.